Okay, good morning students. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss a small topic. You must be very well aware of this topic, that is nothing but subject-verb agreement. Many students find it very difficult to find out what is subject-verb agreement. Subject-verb agreement. Three terms are used here. So subject has to agree with the verb in number and in person. So when we speak or when we write a sentence, we must make sure that subject has to agree with the verb, and that is called subject-verb agreement. So whenever there is a kind of agreement with the subject and the verb, you will understand that your sentence is good enough to hear. Okay? Okay, students, I think you are listening to my class. Now coming to the next point is that a sentence has got two parts, you know already. Which are the two parts? One is the subject, the other one is the predicate. The subject is the doer or the person who does the action, and the predicate part deals and or refers to more information about the subject. Okay? Okay, coming to the third point. My third point is nothing but the subject. Which are the subjects? You know already from my previous class that subjects are persons. How many persons are there? Three persons are there. First person singular and plural, second person singular and plural, third person singular and plural. And here you need to remember these persons are the subjects who are going to do the action. Doer or the action performer. Now coming to my last and final point is that a subject must agree with the verb. Okay, so if the subject is singular, the verb also must be singular, and if the subject is plural, the verb also must be plural. But how do you find out the subject is a singular or plural? That is another important thing which you have to learn. Okay, students, with the first person singular and first person plural, and with the second person singular and second person plural, you will find the agreement very easy. But with regard to third person singular, which are the third person singular? He, she, it, and plural is they. Here you will find some difficulties to make the agreement. Why? Because in simple present tense, the third person singular, he, she, it, takes with the verb yes or es. That is why many students where they make mistakes. So for example, he writes, but many students they write he write because they don't know the subject verb agreement rule. Here the subject is singular and the verb also must be singular. Again, she goes to the market. Here she is the subject and goes is the verb, and here we use es with the verb. That is only in simple present tense. Again, one more, that is it. It goes very well with the mango. Okay, goes is a verb and it is a subject. Here again we are using es. So here the subject verb agreement has to be seen very clearly with the third person singular in the simple present tense. And I suppose it is quite clear to you right now. And please come to my channel again to discuss more topics regarding other grammar portions. Okay, until then, bye.